Thank you for your interest in my active listing. Don't wait till the rush of the summer to find your spot in Parkland. This gorgeous former model is the Cresent floor plan, 2,982 square feet, and part of the executive collection on Model Row in Miralago. Deep lush lot on 66 feet of water with plenty of room for a pool. Thousands in designer upgrades throughout. 4-bed/4 bath/2 car garage, at about 3,000 square feet with a 2015 CO. Original owners, 2018. Beautiful light and large kitchen with granite, natural gas stove, double ovens and Keurig brewing fridge. The prestigious community of Miralago has the best amenities in all of Broward County, Miralago plus Cascata combined, 2 pools, 2 gyms, tennis, tot playgrounds, kids water areas, indoor basketball court, clubhouse, event spaces, etc. Resort-style living. Walk to the clubhouse and school bus. A+ schools,